Alright, YouTube, like the title of the video says, we're gonna go ahead and unbox some new headlights. Super excited about these. These are from HCmotion, so I have the HCmotion taillights. I'm gonna go ahead and rock the HCmotion headlights. These things are an absolute beast of a product, at least looks wise. We'll go ahead and see how the install goes. So stay tuned for an install video here pretty soon. I'll get these installed on the weekend. So you have your two headlights there, a little harness with instructions. Looks pretty much plug and play like the VLANs were. But here we go. Here's a 1 connection, 2, 3 connections. How hard can that be? Now for the moment we're all waiting for, let's go ahead and turn this around and show you guys the new headlight. Alright, there you go. These are LED. Gonna be super bright, hopefully, cross my fingers. Sequentials, color changing. They don't have a red eye or anything on here, which is fine. I don't currently run a red eye on the car anyways, but these things are badass. You've probably seen some clips on YouTube, Instagram, or whatever, but these are gonna be freaking awesome on the car. So once again, thanks to HCmotion. Yeah, pretty stoked to get this on the car. And in other news, here in Florida, Central Florida, right, I actually had some hail hit the car. Ran home real quick, wiped down the car, did a little damage assessment. Luckily, fingers crossed, I haven't seen anything, but I'm not even kidding you. There was hail in South Florida, Central Florida, but that was definitely weird. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update on what to expect. Pretty excited I got these headlights. They will be getting thrown on the car, and expect that YouTube video on how to install them and a nice review and cinematic of it. So stay tuned for that one. Hit that like button, subscribe, and never live your life in idle, and I'll see you guys in the next video.